Now in Los Gatos. These are live pictures from Sky 7 HD. The train derailed early this afternoon, blocking Winchester Boulevard near Highway 85.
You're watching ABC 7 News at 6.
Traffic is never good on Interstate 580 near Livermore this time of day, obviously, but it's even worse than normal now. As you can see from Sky 7 HD live tonight, traffic is backed up for miles as we pull out here following a crash involving 3 big rigs more than 6 hours ago. Here you see the resulting mess. It happened on 580 eastbound just past Greenville Road. That's near the Altamont Pass. 2 drivers were injured. Crews thought they'd have it cleaned up 3 hours ago, but now say all lanes will not be clear until at least 6:30, 15 minutes from now. That party boat that sank early Sunday morning near San Francisco International Airport has been salvaged. This is what the operation looked like early this afternoon from Sky 7 HD.
Noon in a 53-unit apartment building on Bush Street near Taylor and quickly went to 2 alarms. The building's
several pieces of dynamite, about 19 pieces of dynamite and blasting caps inside of his garage. That's when immediately law enforcement pulled out and they got San Jose police involved, and they are now handling the entire situation involving the dynamite and the blasting caps in order to handle what's happening at that.
On Alvarado Boulevard. So far, it appears nobody was hurt. Officers say one of the men involved jumped a fence and got away. No word on how the road rage incident began.
You're watching ABC 7 News at 6.
Here you see police from Oakland and San Leandro searching for a man after a chase that ended near the border of those cities today. Police tell us it started when a man on probation tried to run over one of their officers. It ended when the suspect crashed a car, as you can see, on San Leandro Street, and then took off running.
State 580 near Dublin from our Sky 7 HD. Despite the traffic you see here, the American Automobile Association is predicting a slight decline in holiday travel this year. AAA estimates about 64 million Americans will travel 50 miles or more from their homes. That's a decrease from last year, and the first time the association has predicted a decline in travel since 2002. Tonight and Sunday are expected to be the busiest travel days during the holiday period.
With a picture of last-minute holiday shoppers. This is Sky 7 HD over Hayward and 580 westbound, that ribbon of headlights. We'll see you again at 6. Bye for now. For Lee Glasser and all of us, thank you for watching. We'll see you again at 6.
And a whole dock full of unsold Toyotas. Is any car selling in the Bay Area?
This is ABC 7 News at 6.
We begin tonight with new trouble in the auto industry and the ripple effect it's now having on the Bay Area. From Sky 7 HD, you can see the hundreds of Toyotas that are stacking up at the port of Benicia.
That's causing new Toyota shipments to stack up at its facility at the port of Benicia. The president of Toyota told reporters in Japan, quote,